At TDIC, we have the responsibility to protect our entire complete policyholder community. As a member of the TDIC board, it's a privilege to work on behalf of all of you. As practicing dentists, we're seeing the profession we love changing around us in new and exciting ways, and sometimes scary ways. The board and our staff partners take the responsibility to balance the individual needs of our 24,000 policyholders and our company's financial viability. I have the great pleasure of practicing in Fremont, California with the best partner in the world, my mom. She and I have practiced together for 20 years, and many moons ago, when she was a newish practicing dentist, there was a malpractice insurance crisis. That crisis led to the formation of TDIC, and she proudly became one of the founding dentist members of the company. Understanding that legacy through her real life experiences has greatly shaped my love and my passion for our insurance company. Our marketing consistently boasts our dentist-centered approach. And you may be wondering, what does that really mean? Today, I'd like to share one of the ways that this core value shows up in our business processes. The insurance renewal process is something you may take for granted. And that makes sense, as a vast majority of professional liability policies are renewed without any action needed from the policyholder, other than paying their premiums. But there are times when this is not the case, and that is when the values of your insurance company really become important. Unlike most insurance companies, when a professional liability policy is flagged for non-renewal at TDIC, it is evaluated by a group of your dentist peers. If that evaluation results in a non-renewal, we also provide opportunities to appeal that decision. And this is what makes TDIC so special. You're able to appeal the non-renewal, and a group of dentist peers who really understand what it means to practice within the four walls of a dental office mindfully review that appeal. Here's how it works. Accounts are evaluated based on factors like frequency and severity of claims, dental board actions, and referrals from TDIC's claims, underwriting, or risk management departments. Accounts of highest concern, because they pose a high level of risk, are prepared for review by our dentist-led underwriting committee. It's a group of 5 dentists with more than 100 collective years of practice experience. Policyholders' information is made anonymous, and the committee reviews and discusses the facts of each account. Committee members share perspectives and then vote on whether the policy should be renewed. If the decision is non-renewal, the policyholder's agent then reaches out to let them know about the appeal process. As dentists, we never want to be in that situation, but it happens, and it can be a very stressful situation when it does. So if you or a colleague faces this situation, I have a few tips. Appeal, and don't take that process lightly. This is your opportunity to provide clarity or insights that can support potential renewal and continuity of coverage. Share honestly from your perspective. We want to hear from you. We want to hear from you as a fellow dentist, not through a letter written by your attorney. Reflection and self-awareness aid your efforts, as well as your ability to communicate what you've done to prevent future risks or losses. Connect with your TDIC agent as soon as possible so that you have someone there to support you through this process. We're grateful to have a dedicated committee that ensures fairness, due diligence, and evidence-based decision-making. Last year, about 60% of non-renewals that were appealed to TDIC were approved. Seeing this work in action, one thing that has really started to stand out to me is how often important information about the policyholder's practice is either missing or outdated. This can really cause a lot of unexpected coverage gaps. While you do have a valuable appeals process available, I encourage you to connect with your agent through changes in your licensure, changes in the treatments you may be providing in your office, and if your practice grows in any way. We're proud to be a company built by dentists, to protect only dentists, and led by dentist peers. And we are grateful that you continue to choose us.